before I start this video, I just want to tell you all that the whole video is not about negative comments. There is some yummy food that I've shown in the end of the video. So watch till the end, okay? Okay, intro. Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the mean comments that I've got on my videos. So let's start. The first comment that I want to talk about is that people have not requested but instructed or demanded me to speak in Konkani in my videos. Like, I know these people are Goans because non-Goans obviously do not understand this language and they wouldn't do such a thing. So there are many people who commented saying, or not even asking, like literally instructing me, make a vlog in Konkani. Are you ashamed of the language? Make a vlog in Konkani, do a vlog in Konkani, speak in Konkani in your videos. As a Goan, I want to see more Konkani in your video. My dear viewers, let me tell you that Konkani is a language, is a very beautiful language, but only a few people understand this language. And my goal is to make sure the whole, currently at least the whole of India to, watch my videos, and for that I cannot speak in Konkani because it's a language which not many people understand, and English is like a normal neutral language which mostly all people will understand. Also, I had the option of Hindi, but I'm not very fluent in Hindi, so I try not to speak it, and I try to speak in Konkani in most of my videos. I've tried to, but I cannot make the whole entire video in Konkani. Just because Goans are demanding it, I'm sorry, but it's true. I cannot make my whole videos in Konkani. I have to make it in a language which all viewers understand and not only a specific part. So yeah, that's the reason I am not going to make my videos in Konkani. I will try to add most of the Konkani words in my videos, but I'm just going to break it to you and tell you that I'm not going to make my videos in Konkani. They are going to be in English. Now, the second thing is that when I uploaded my house tour of my ancestral home, I got a lot of love, hate, negative and positive comments on it. So firstly, I want to thank all the positive comments that I've got. Like, thank you so much. The video is touching almost 40,000 views. Like, that's so cool. Thank you so much. And yes, I've got a quite lot of negativity. It's like this, like one person comments something negative, the other person also thinks, okay, I have to say something, why should I keep quiet? Let's comment on it. Like, for now I have turned the comments off because I didn't want that kind of negativity in my life, because people were being very rude. And let me tell you, the comments were like this big paragraphs. Who has the time to type such big paragraphs? I mean, is it someone else's anger that you're removing on me, or is it my anger that you're removing on me? Because it's very harsh. And the comments were like, you should clean your house, you should paint it first and then show your house to the rest of the world. I mean, how can anyone be so mean? I also don't like some videos sometimes, but I never go and comment something negative, or I never dislike a video in YouTube. I've been watching YouTube since many years now, and I have never ever disliked a video. Even if I hate the video, I will never dislike it. It's not that if you dislike, the YouTuber will face some problems. No, even if you dislike a video, YouTube's algorithm will bring it on top. Even if you like it, it's profitable to the YouTuber. Even if you dislike it, it's profitable to the YouTuber. So that's like normal. So that's okay. You like, you dislike, the YouTubers don't care, and so does YouTube. So yeah, that's fine. And the major thing that I wanted to talk about today is the house video. I made it with a lot of love in my heart because my house is very precious to me, and mind you, I have never bragged about it my entire life, and I will never brag about it. And people have been saying, you've just made this video that because you want to show off that you have a house. Like, why will I show off that I have a house and do a house tour of that? but some people have been very kind and they have said, you know, wow, such a nice house, thank you for showing us your house. There are you know, only a few houses in Goa like this. You know, preserve it, keep it and everything, do not, you know, sell it and all. Please keep it for y'all only, stay in that house, enjoy that y'all have an like big ancestors house and everything. But the mean comments were like so bad, and like before I, you know, turned off the comments, I read the comments like again, and like 90% of the comments were negative, and I did not want that kind of negativity in my life or in my family's life. So I just turned the comments off. Simple as that. So anyways, that's all that I wanted to talk about the mean comments, because you never give negativity importance because it will rise up. Always give positivity importance. So yeah, my goal is that all the positivity I will welcome with open heart, and all the negativity I'm closing my gates for that. So, but if you're doing something like this which is different from what the society sees, then you are bound to get such negativity. So I don't care. Thank you for watching my video. At least I got the view, so it's okay. You comment negative or do whatever, it's fine. But I just wanted to point it out and tell you all that I read the comments. Even if I do not respond to it, I do read it. So yeah, anyways guys, today is Friday, the weekend. But nowadays weekend ho yaar, weekday it looks the same. But anyways, today is Friday and my sister is making my favorite dish, and that is squids butter garlic. Sorry to those who do not like squids, but I love squids. It's literally the only fish that I would eat any day. Otherwise I am not a big fish fan. But yeah, she's going to make butter garlic squids with I think some butter rice and fries or something. I don't know. Let's go and check it out. Let's go. So guys, I'm in my kitchen right now. So Tanvi, tell us, where have you exactly reached in this yummy dinner that you're making me?
I've just finished with the buttered rice.
Wow, okay. So she's making the butter rice now. I won't disturb you further, Tanvi, because I know you do not like disturbance when you're cooking. So sorry about that.
No problem.
But we really wanted to see what you are up to. So I think we'll irritate you only after your entire dish is ready, okay?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I just had dinner. It was so good. If you want the recipe, I'll put a link in the description below. My sister has a food page named Tanu Streets, and on that she's going to put up the recipe. So do go follow and check out the recipe. And yes, I will end my video here. If you guys liked it, please do give it a like. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.